Hello again, everyone. It's me, MadameMacabre. And oh boy, the poll results are in. The public demands a Jeff the Killer tutorial, so that's what you'll get. Let's go get this thing started, shall we? Okay, the eyeballs are good to go. Let's dive in. To begin, we're going to use some Mehron Clown White Lite and a beauty sponge. For my interpretation, I want it to be pale, but not full-on white, so we're just going to do a thin layer on our face, as well as carrying it down on our neck. Very nice. Next, I'm going to use a Q-tip to help mark out where the mouth cuts will be. Once that's done, we're going to be dipping into our rigid collodion to add some dimension. Instead of the usual fresh wounds for Jeff, I decided to do older, scarred-over wounds. Rigid collodion is great for creating realistic scars. It sucks the moisture out of the area it's applied to, causing the skin to pucker and dent inward where it's applied. For this look, we'll be applying it into a nice Glasgow grin. The next step will be to give ourselves a more masculine jawline. To achieve this, I'll be doing some contouring with this gray color and a brush. For a more masculine shape, follow along with the cheekbone, then curve down. Then we'll give our chin some definition. After this, make your jawline sharper. Okay, time to blend. Now let's do some contouring on the nose to match. Now that's a better face shape. Dipping back into the white again, we'll now go back and do some highlighting. And that should take care of our bone structure. Now we're going to tackle those infamous black rings. Dipping into my Makeup Forever tray, I'm going to start with the black. I'm starting out with a small brush to get close to the waterline, but after that I'll switch to a sponge for better blending. Once you're done with that, move on to the next eye. Okay, time for some definition. Using the brush again, let's line around both eyes. Okay, now we can move on to the next step. The name of the game with this look is layering. The next layer we dip into will be a nice deep bloody red color. We're going to blend that in nicely with the black below. Remember, children, blending saves lives, or at least looks. The next layer will be black Starblend cake makeup, or a matte black eyeshadow will do the trick. can't have pink waterlines. Now's the time to fill those in with eyeliner. Then apply mascara. I think that just about does it. Time to move on to that infamous Cheshire Grin. Starting off what will be the first of many layers, I'm dipping into a nice bright red to begin filling in the smile. Next up is a deeper red. Then we'll move on to black to form the deepest part of the wound. For the mouth, there's going to be a lot of jumping from color to color to get the right look. Once you've achieved this, it's time for blood. Don't be afraid to have fun with this part. There are so many creative ways you can use gel blood. Okay, time to nasty it up a bit more. Let's blend some black and blood together now. Use your finger and smudge it about to create a gross, grungy look. I really wasn't kidding when I said there was a lot of layering. And after a bit more blood, we're done. And as a final little detail, I decided to add in a bit more shading with the gray makeup to give Jeff a bit more of a furrowed brow muscle. A quick bit of blending takes care of that. And with that, Jeff the Killer is nearly complete. Let's go get those finishing details now, shall we? Well, there you have it, everyone. Now you too can be the iconic internet slasher, Jeff the Killer. Thank you to all who participated in the poll in helping me choose this week's makeup look, and be sure to look out for the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more. But until next time, remember, stay creepy.